The teenager hides the darker side of her personality. She is into horror films and likes to smoke the occasional joint.
Something out of nothing, guess is where we come from. London city's comfy, making punching. Grit my teeth through the breeze so I couldn't function. At least I couldn't speak, down the words were hidden deep. Deeper than could ever see. Me and my shit memories was bittersweet, it's hard to eat. I walk amongst the enemy. Love was just a tendency as such, I was an entity, they emptied me. Sitting next to empty seats to empty anything. I would put stops if they sent me. But on the other hand, what was meant to be was meant to be, and what it meant to me, so